Welcome back, guys. I'm Nathan Smith, and today we are in the workshop. In this channel, we are all about exploring the latest workshop-related tools, equipment, and gadgets. So whether you're a do-it-yourself beginner or a pro on the workshed, you'll find everything you need right here. Now let's dive right into the action as we take a look at the best brad nailers on the market right now. Picture this: you're putting together that dream bookshelf, meticulously aligning each piece. When suddenly it hits you, how on earth are you going to secure it all without it looking like a mess? Enter the brad nailer, stage left, ready to save the day. In this video, we're not just talking about any old tool. We're talking about a game changer, a lifesaver, and dare we say it, a sanity keeper. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, there's something magical about the simplicity and precision of a brad nailer that can take your projects from amateur hour to professional grade craftsmanship. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started. The fifth brad nailer on our list is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit is a revolutionary tool for its ability to effortlessly drive adhesive collated finish nails, which ensures precise and secure fastening without the hassle of cords or air hoses. Not only that, but by eliminating the need for compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges, this cordless design provides unparalleled freedom and mobility, allowing users to work in any corner of their workshop or job site. Additionally, the nailer maintains consistent firing power in various climate conditions and materials, ensuring reliable performance regardless of environmental factors. Its tool-free depth settings enable quick adjustments, while the tool-free jam install settings ensure seamless operation without delays. And as if that's not impressive enough, with its lightweight construction and optimal center of gravity, the V20 offers optimal balance and comfort during extended use, complemented by a contoured over-molded handle for added comfort. As with any cordless tool, however, users may experience downtime when the battery needs recharging, especially during extended or intensive use. So be sure to plan ahead when using this for long projects. Our team recommends this for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who enjoy woodworking projects around the home. For this reason, it's perfect for assembling furniture, installing trim, or crafting smaller woodworking projects. The fourth brad nailer on our list is the Milwauke M18 Fuel Brad Nailer, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. One of the Milwauke M18 Fuel Brad Nailer's standout features is the nitrogen air spring mechanism, which ensures consistent nail depth in both hard and soft woods, leaving clean nail holes that match the head of the nail. This level of precision is essential for professional finishing work, ensuring a seamless result every time. Another thing to highlight is how it's powered by Milwauke's PowerStape brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence. What this means is that this brad nailer boasts an unmatched fire rate with 0 ramp-up time, keeping users efficient and productive throughout the day. So, whether you're tackling a small trim job or a large-scale renovation project, you can rely on the M18 Fuel Brad Nailer to deliver consistent and reliable performance. Furthermore, the cordless design of this nailer, combined with its compatibility with Milwauke's red lithium batteries, eliminates the need for gas cartridges and the associated maintenance cost. This not only saves you money, but also streamlines your workflow by eliminating the need for refills and downtime. Talk about a total package. Now, while the brad nailer offers exceptional performance and convenience, one potential limitation is the need for Milwauke's proprietary red lithium batteries, which are not included with the nailer. Our team recommends this for individuals looking for the freedom and convenience of cordless operation without sacrificing performance. The M18 Fuel Brad Nailer eliminates the need for a compressor and hose, providing hassle-free operation on the job site. The third brad nailer on our list is the Ryobi P320 Airstrike 1+ Cordless Brad Nailer, which we have awarded a 4 badge rating. The Ryobi P320 Airstrike 1+ Cordless Brad Nailer boasts innovative features that enhance both convenience and performance for users tackling various woodworking tasks. First on the list would be its use of Airstrike technology, which offers comfortable operation without the need for a compressor, hose, or gas cartridges, providing users with unmatched mobility and freedom on the job site. The nailer also accommodates narrow points ranging from 5.5 to 6.1 millimeters in width and 10 to 38 millimeters in length, catering to a wide range of fastening needs. And much more impressive than this, the nailer offers 2 modes: a sequential mode for precise operation and contact mode for quick, continuous firing. What this means is that you will be able to adapt to different project requirements seamlessly without changing attachments. Finally, a standout feature is probably its keyless adjustment of screwing depth. which not only protects the material surface from damage, but also ensures that staples are inserted without leaving any protruding parts. Additionally, the dry fire prevention function prevents the tool from firing when no staples are present in the charger, prolonging the tool's lifespan and preventing unnecessary damage. And as a cherry on top, we'd like to highlight the inclusion of grip light technology, which allows you to activate the LED backlight with the press of a button on the handle, enhancing visibility in low light conditions and improving accuracy and efficiency. On the less positive side of things, the weight of the nailer is slightly on the heavier side, so individuals with larger hands may find it more comfortable to maneuver than smaller individuals. Our team recommends this for users who already own other tools in the Ryobi One Plus lineup. It's a cost-effective option for expanding their collection of cordless tools without needing to invest in additional batteries. The second brad nailer on our list is the BOSTITCH SmartPoint Pneumatic Brad Nailer Kit, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. At the forefront of the BOSTITCH SmartPoint Pneumatic Brad Nailer Kit is its SmartPoint technology, which facilitates effortless nail placement with a smaller nose compared to previous BOSTITCH models. This innovation eliminates the need to compress the contact trip to actuate the tool, enhancing user comfort and accuracy. Not only that, but the nailer is equipped to handle a variety of tasks. This is because the 18-gauge brad nailer drives 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 inch to 2 1/8 inch in length, making it versatile enough for both delicate trim work and heavier-duty applications. Furthermore, its oil-free operation reduces the risk of unsightly oil stains on your work surface, ensuring a clean finish every time. The BOSTITCH SmartPoint nailer also prioritizes user convenience and ease of use. With a tool-free jam release mechanism, nail removal becomes a breeze, minimizing downtime and frustration during operation. And if you're a stickler for precision, the dial-of-depth control allows for precise countersinking of brad nails, ensuring professional quality results with every use. Finally, for added versatility, this brad nailer features a selectable trigger system, enabling users to choose between sequential or contact operation based on their preference and project requirements. Now, one limitation of the BOSTITCH SmartPoint Pneumatic Brad Nailer Kit is that it requires an air compressor for operation, so we think this tool would suit more for more serious hobbyists and professionals. Our team recommends this for workshops, carpentry studios, and construction sites with access to air compressors and pneumatic tools. Its compatibility with existing pneumatic systems makes it an efficient and reliable choice for high-volume woodworking tasks. The best brad nailer on our list is the DEWALT Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating, powered by a robust brushless motor. This 18-gauge brad nailer doesn't just meet expectations. It exceeds them, maximizing runtime and durability to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. But it's not just power that sets this nailer apart. It's precision too. With its micro nose design, the DEWALT Max Cordless Brad Nailer offers improved line of sight and accuracy of nail placement compared to its predecessors. Every nail is driven with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring professional-grade results that speak volumes about your craftsmanship. And with the tool-free depth adjustment feature, achieving the perfect countersink is as effortless as a flick of the wrist, leaving behind nothing but flawless finishes. Encountered a nail jam? Fear not. The DEWALT Max Cordless Brad Nailer comes equipped with a tool-free jam release mechanism, allowing you to swiftly and seamlessly clear nail jams without missing a beat. Also, if you're in need of lighting your workspace, the multifunctional LED lights add a touch of brilliance to your woodworking endeavors, ensuring every detail is brought to light, even in the darkest corners of your workshop. But wait, there's more. With the tool-free selectable trigger, you're in control. Choose between sequential or contact actuation modes, tailoring your workflow to suit your preferences and project requirements. And should a stall occur, the integrated tool-free stall release lever leaps into action, swiftly resetting the driver blade and minimizing downtime like a well-oiled machine. As if that wasn't enough, the adjustable belt hook offers versatility, allowing for left or right attachment depending on your whims, while the low nail lockout feature prevents dry firing and unsightly marks on your precious work material, ensuring every nail finds its mark with finesse. Just as a double-edged sword, however, what makes this brad nailer kit amazing can also be its limitation. While cordless convenience is a significant advantage, users must ensure their batteries are adequately charged to avoid downtime on the job site. Additionally, users may need to invest in spare batteries or plan for recharging breaks during longer projects, which could interrupt workflow and extend project timelines. So to keep that in mind when undergoing bigger projects, our team recommends this for users working in confined spaces or areas where access to power sources is limited. they will find the cordless design of this brad nailer to be particularly beneficial, which allows for superior flexibility and mobility. And there you have it, fellow workshop enthusiasts, our top 5 brad nailer kit recommendations. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment below. Again, this is Nathan, reminding you to stay safe, work smart, and keep yourself up to date with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great.